let's take a look at this ground grinder. This is from Matchbox. This is from the construction series. There are 20 models. Comes in this beautiful packaging. Costs around 199 rupees or $2 or so. So let's see how it looks. On the packaging it says ground grinder, but on this it says road grader. It uses these two to level the road or a construction site. The whole yellow part is plastic and the blue is metal. Surprisingly huge engine. Such an interesting vehicle and model. Such an interesting model. Quite nice. Check it out.